guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm coming on to do a little craft haul and a little giveaway. And I've got two different paper collections to show you that I hauled, and I'm going to do a giveaway of one of these because I ordered duplicates of both, and I'm going to give away one. And I had been trying to rack my brain as to what giveaway that I was going to do. And because of everything that's going on right now in the world, and I haven't been able to see my precious little mama in 40 days because she's in a nursing home. And she's having lots of very serious health issues, and her birthday was yesterday, and I wasn't able to go see her or take her gifts or anything of that nature. And she was also way too weak for her to hold the phone to be able to talk with me on the phone, so I couldn't even wish her a happy birthday yesterday, and that's the first time in my adult life. So I'm going to do a giveaway, and you can earn a point by sending me a birthday card from my mother. And if you will share this through a VR, I will give you another point. Please, 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 no extras. I don't want any extras. I just want a birthday card mailed to me from my mother. And I'm going to take them all over to her when we open up. And my plan is to do that a month after her birthday. So I'm closing the challenge, this challenge, on May the 24th. And my mom's birthday was yesterday, April the 24th. And I will be able to go over and take everything to her on May 25th is the plan. So if you guys will send me just a sweet little birthday card from my mama, and please sign them and write in them and all of that wonderful thing. She's having just a horrible time with her health right now, and has been for probably the last 45 days or so. And I'm just wanting to let her know how special she is to me, and I would really appreciate it. So let's get into one of the prizes that you get to choose from that you want to win from this giveaway. I've got two different Carta paper cardstock collections that I'm giving away. The first one is the Carta Summer Market, and it's this beautiful 6x6 paper pad, and they're all double-sided papers, and they are absolutely lovely and gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love Carta. Carta is my favorite paper line. Then I have the enamel dots that match the summer market. All of these are summer market collections. The puffy stickers, aren't those two amazing? And I'm sorry, I'm not taking anything out of the package so it makes a glare, because they're all brand new, and I'm not going to open up anything for the people who win. Then I have the adhesive brads, the cute brads, and then the chipboard stickers that are in here, amazing. And then the chipboard stickers that is, I believe, 8x12 or 6x12 actually, 6x12 chipboard stickers, and they're all gorgeous and amazing. And then the cardstock 12x12 collection that includes all of these papers, and then it also has a sticker pack with it. So, and there's the sticker pack. the sticker sheet is what I should say. An amazing, amazing collection. I love this collection. I think it's probably, I don't know, probably about a year old. So, but that's that collection that you can win. All of these items is one. And now let me bring over the other one. Pull this one out of the way. Again, this is Carta collection, and it's the Home Again collection. So this is perfect for your ancestry documentation. If you do any of that in scrapbooking, it's beautiful for that. But it's also pretty vintage for your other things too. And this is the 6x6 paper pad. And like I did on the flower market, I am just gonna clip the tape that's holding that together there and pull that off so you can see these gorgeous papers a little better. And I love this collection as well. And this is the Carta Home Again collection. And it is just lovely. And again, they're all double-sided papers in this 6x6 pad. And it holds 24 sheets, and so did the other one. There is the enamel dots that match perfectly with this Home Again collection. There is the ephemera pack that houses 33 pieces in it. And there's a little look, and again, I'm sorry for the glare, but I'm not going to open it. We're just going to have to deal with the glare because I want everyone to know that these are brand new collections that I'm giving away. And then I have the frames and tags, which is another 33 pieces. And again, that's a picture of all of them. And then I have the chipboard phrases. Beautiful. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they're very large. All of the chipboards are large. And then I have the chipboard accents that come with this too. Again, nice large images for the majority of them, and very beautiful. And then the 12x12 cardstock collection, and these are all of the papers in that collection. Absolutely gorgeous. And then just a regular sticker sheet that comes in this as well. Absolutely beautiful. So all you have to do is send me an email for my address. Make my mother a birthday card that you've mailed to me that's worth 1 point. Please, no extras, please. And if you do a video response for this giveaway, then you'll get one other entry. So you can win the Home Again collection or the Flower Market collection. And you get to choose, if you're one of the winners, as to which collection you want, the Home Again or the Flower Market. So thank you guys so much for helping me out with this. I'll leave my email in the description box below so that you can email me for my address. And this giveaway does end on May 24th. And there will not be any exceptions, and there will not be any delays with it, because I want to take everything over to my mother on the 25th of May. And that's, and I'm hoping that you can help me out with this, because what better reason than to give a giveaway than to bless my sweet and beautiful mother with happy birthday cards. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And thank you for participating. I truly, truly appreciate it. Cheers!